how to add collaboration after posting on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add a collaboration after posting on Instagram. Simply open up Instagram on your phone, and then once you have Instagram opened up, come over to your main profile. From over here, choose any picture or any image that you guys might want to promote. Simply open up that image and then simply click on the top right on these three dots, and then from over here click on edit, and then now simply click on the top where you guys see the option add paid partnership label. Simply click on that, and then after that you guys can simply click on done. And now if I click on done, you guys can basically see that we have paid partnership added at the top of my picture. So guys, that is how you guys can add in a paid partnership or collaboration on Instagram after your post is published. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.